Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix the message your organization manage updates on this PC in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type CMD, right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on yes, and in the description below copy the first command and go to the top or title bar, edit and paste and hit enter. Copy the second command in description, go to the top, edit and paste and hit enter. This escalates the privilege on group policy editor, hit enter. And the third command is gpupdate space / force and hit enter. Updating the policy group. Wait a moment. You can receive this message. The computer update has been completed successfully. User policy update completed successfully. To apply the change, restart your computer. Click on close, go to the start menu, select the power off button and click on restart. Login in your Windows. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.